Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Richard. If you enjoy learning English in a fun and simple way, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video. Today I'm exploring a classic idiom that is as old as the kettle itself. The pot calling the kettle black. So let's dive in. So what does it mean when we say the pot calling the kettle black? Well, it's used when someone criticises another person for a fault they also have. In other words, it's pointing out someone else's mistake whilst being guilty of the same thing. For example, imagine someone says you're always late, but they themselves are always late too. That's a perfect case of the pot calling the kettle black. So where does this idiom come from? This saying goes all the way back to the 17th century. Back then, pots and kettles were used on open fires and hearths, and both would get black with soot. So if the pot called the kettle black, it was funny because they both were dirty. The phrase highlights hypocrisy, criticising someone for something they're guilty of too. You can use this idiom in everyday English to point out when someone is being a bit of a hypocrite. A quick example. My boss always says I talk too much, but he never stops talking himself. Now that's the pot calling the kettle black. So the next time you see someone blaming others for a fault they share, remember this great phrase. Hope you enjoyed this little dive into English idioms, and thanks for watching, and as always, see you on the flip side. Ta-ra a bit.